perfect picnic lentil salad. You'll never look at lentils the same. Let's try. Today I'm making lentils. Lentils are so underutilized and they're so delicious and so nutritious. It's weird because I have this one distinct memory of lentils. My dad used to make a lentil salad on 4th of July every year when my grandparents came over to visit, and he would make this beautiful salad and I would only get it once a year, so it made it so special, and I just looked forward to it all year. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make that lentil salad, but with my own spin and take on it because I can't steal Daddy's recipe completely. So it starts off with lentils. Lentils are a legume. They're really good for you. Don't ask me why they're good for you. I just know they have a lot of fiber, so make sure you cook them enough. You're gonna pop your lentils right into some water. I suggest that you rinse them before you stick them in water, just because they sometimes have just like a little bit of dirt and grime on them. So all you gotta do is you're going to boil these just like you're gonna cook rice. So you're gonna bring them to a boil and then cover them, let them simmer, keep them simmering for about 20 to 25 minutes until they're nice and tender, but they're not mushy and falling apart. See you then. It's boiling. So I'm gonna turn it down to a simmer, pop in a bay leaf for flavor, poke it in so it sinks, and cover it for about 20 minutes. I took the bay leaf out of our lentils, I drained them, and now it's time to make them into a pretty little salad. So we're gonna start off with mirepoix, which is just a fancy word for diced up carrots, celery, and onion. I'm just gonna go ahead and add that all into the lentils. And then I have some garlic that I finely chopped up. Don't ask me why it's in such a huge bowl. But I love adding all these crunchy veggies to this, and they need to be finely diced because you really want to taste the lentils and to taste all the veggies all in your mouth all at once. And then I have some finely chopped parsley, and this is gonna add a really nice brightness and a touch of green. And then we're going to add our liquids in. So I have a little bit of sherry wine vinegar, and the vinegar is going to just really like brighten this up even more. And sherry wine vinegar also has almost like a maltiness to it, or a little bit of a sweetness, and it's just so subtle and amazing. And then I have a little bit of olive oil just to moisten up our lentils. And so here is the secret ingredient into this little salad. This is something that I learned from my dad. So he would add in just a touch of either clove or allspice into the lentils, and it is just the perfect little touch. You wouldn't even notice it. It just enhances the flavors of the lentil, the bay leaf, the sherry wine vinegar. It's a really nice, soft, warm spice. It's a cross between almost like a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg. It's just so fragrant and warm and amazing. So I added that right in. And then I'm just gonna add some black pepper and some salt, and I'm gonna mix this all together until it's nicely combined. This is the perfect picnic lentil salad. I like serving it room temp or a little warm or chilled. It's so good, all different ways. It's gonna remind me so much of 4th of July at home with my fam. Let's try. There's something so homey about it. It's crunchy, but it has that little hint of allspice that just takes it to a whole nother level. Check this out on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it. It's just so good.